Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Shopify email with Canva for on-brand promotions. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Shopify email with Canva for your promotions, start by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Shopify email app from your Shopify dashboard. Once in the app, locate the Create Campaign button and click it. Craft your email campaign by including all necessary details, like subject line and recipient list. Next, open a new tab in your browser and log into your Canva account. If you don't have an account, you can easily sign up for free. Search for email templates in Canva's search bar. Choose a template that aligns with your brand identity. Customize the template by adding your logo, brand colors, and relevant images. Once finished, click the Download button in the top right corner. Select the format you want, preferably PNG or JPG for email use. After downloading your design, return to the Shopify email app. Upload your Canva design to the email campaign by clicking on the Upload section. Adjust the image placement and size to ensure it fits nicely within your email layout. Complete any additional editing in the email, like adding text or call to action buttons. Preview your email to ensure everything is displaying correctly. Once satisfied, click the Send or Schedule button to launch your campaign. Your Shopify email is now connected with your Canva designs for seamless promotions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.